We've come out for a couple of hours of birding. We are at Stowe Landscape Gardens in Buckinghamshire. The reason why we've come here, not only is it a gorgeous place with National Trust, it also offers a vast range of different habitats. So right now you can see we're in a wooded area, there's some big ponds, there's some grassland or some farmland, which should offer a few different species of birds for us to see. Things that we would love to see, of course, are the owls. The owls are present here. There has been sightings of a little owl recently, but barn owl and tawny owls have been spotted in the past, which would be incredible because it'll be my first ever owl. On the way in, some gorgeous birds. House sparrow, absolutely gorgeous in one of the houses on the way in. Absolutely underrated birds, but obviously really, really common. But we're going to see what we can see as part of the wider challenge for getting 300 birds this year. For those that aren't aware of the 300 challenge, I'll link the playlist to start it all at the end of this video. Well, the 300 challenge, I'm looking to photograph 300 species of bird this year. There are of course some caveats and rules to that. The rules are for, essentially, they cannot be escaped birds. So the Crimson Rosetta that was previously seen up in Manchester from an aviary doesn't count. Parakeets, however, that are naturalised now in the UK and have been breeding here, they do count. Vagrants that come over to the UK also count. If I go abroad and the birds are natural to that area, it also counts. And obviously 300 is for the whole year. The reason I'm doing 300, I only started birding last year and I feel like I need to catch up. So 300 seemed like a nice, good number to go with. But things have started to slow down now as we've got a lot of the common species out of the way. So we're going to have to go to a lot more areas just to find a lot more cool things. But don't worry, there is still a lot to see. If you have any tips or tricks or anything around your local area that you think would be great to add to my list, please do comment below. Everything helps. So far, nothing new. However, some gorgeous shots. Seeing the grey lag goose with its gosling is stunning. And part of the reason why I absolutely love spring so much. I think I heard a willow tit not too long ago, or a coal tit. However, hidden right up in the trees, and some of the trees you can see are quite thick, so it can be quite hard to get the shot. There's a blue tit's flown above me, but yeah. This place is absolutely gorgeous. So as soon as I put my camera down, stop speaking to you guys, spotted flycatcher. Incredible birds, absolutely gorgeous. One of the last migrants to arrive in the UK, usually around May time. Obviously we're in May. Come up from Africa, huge journey, special birds. That's only my second ever spotted flycatcher as well. Got lucky seeing one last year. Seeing one just then, definitely closer than I was last year, so absolutely ecstatic. Another one for the list. We'll keep on going and see if we can add any more. Not only is it starting to brighten up, but I think I just captured my most incredible moment. I saw a hole on the side of a tree and I thought I'll just wait it out. Obviously I made sure to stand my ground, stay back, especially for nesting birds. It's that time of year. Saw a nuthatch arrive, and I thought, okay, nuthatch had nest. Managed to catch a nuthatch feeding its young. That is a moment I will always remember. That is absolutely stunning. First of all, nuthatches are stunning birds, and I believe it's number 1 for my 300 list, but catching it in that moment is why I love spring so much. What a day. What a capture. I'm so happy. Let me know your thoughts as well in the comments below, what you think. But yeah, going to carry on going round. I can hear some reed warblers, but I'm on cloud 9 right now. So it's a bit more wooded now. See another nuthatch knocking about. On the way in, there's a little small river sedge warbler, another one for the list. A bird that I found hard to capture so far this year, usually because they're buried down so deep into the reeds. To get one ecstatic, can definitely hear a lot of black caps. Very distinct noise. I'll play it for you now. But yeah, this is absolutely stunning. You can hear the jackdaws. Tell them by their call. They're jack, 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 jack. But yeah, quite a lot of mature trees around here. So I'm gonna keep quiet now. If we are gonna get a tawny owl, maybe it's a good location, I don't know. I've never seen an owl, so I'm not gonna act like I'm an expert, but this has been stunning so far today. I'm hanging out with some corvids, namely the jackdaws and the rooks over there. Gorgeous birds, but not been a huge amount else. Still really, really ecstatic with seeing the nuthatch, especially in that situation. I mean, right place, right time. Absolutely incredible birds. I still honestly can't believe it. But most importantly, I want to thank you all for watching. Please drop the video a like if you are new to the channel, and drop a subscribe. It does honestly help immensely, and it's completely free. But anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.